Hello and welcome, Greg here from Volkswagen Van Center X. I'm showing you today this recently arrived and approved use Volkswagen Transporter Commerce Pro, here with 4Motion all-wheel drive and finished in this lovely stone grey paint. Make sure to check out the description below as it's packed full of factory fitted extras, with key equipment highlights including these stylish full LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, as well as these upgraded Leighton black alloy wheels in gloss black that contrast the paint beautifully. In the rear there are also C-Signature full LED vertical taillights that really stand out at night, and a quick glimpse in the front of the cabin reveal a stylish interior with decorative door and dash inserts, and this two-tone leather upholstery which offers individual armrests, as well as full electric support with electric lumbar. The driver can certainly look forward to operating this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel with a digital cockpit. Center touchscreen has permanent climate control functions below, with heated seats, heated steering wheel, and even a heated front windscreen. Plenty to enjoy here with the likes of built-in satellite navigation, along with selectable drive modes to offer grip all year round. Additionally, there's also a full host of driver assistance functions that will scan the road ahead at all times to protect you and your occupants. For added connectivity, you'll certainly enjoy the benefit of both AppleCarPlay and AndroidAuto smartphone projection, and that built-in sat-nav offers loads of visibility and will make sure you never get lost. Helping you park is an area view camera, and there's an easy-to-use climate control offer for the hot summer months, whilst down below you'll even enjoy a wireless induction charger, with overhead a digital rear view camera to help manoeuvring the vehicle. This has been a presentation of the approved used Volkswagen Transporter Commerce Pro that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.